Welcome back to Empower Yourself. Today we will learn about critical process parameter and critical quality attribute. Critical process parameter. It is also called as CPP. The critical process parameters are interlinked with the critical quality attribute as well because the critical process parameter plays an important role which will impact the quality of the product as well. Let us see the definition of critical process parameter. A process parameter whose variability has an impact on a critical quality attribute and therefore should be monitored or controlled to ensure the process produces the desired quality. So, the critical process parameters are the process parameters that has to be monitored and controlled in a particular way that we would be getting the results as desired. So the name itself says that process parameter. So during the manufacture of the product, this parameter has to be monitored. So some of the examples of the process parameters include the temperature maintenance, the pH maintenance. So all this will have an impact upon the quality of the product. For example, the temperature maintenance. If there is any deviation that has occurred during the temperature maintenance, then it will surely have the impact upon the quality as well as the yield of the product. So the critical process parameters helps in getting the desired quality as well as the expected yield range. So this plays an important role in the manufacturing of a product. So the critical process parameter has to be monitored and has to be controlled, and they have to be keenly observed to ensure that all the things are maintained properly so that we would get the desired quality and yield. Critical quality attribute. This is also called as CQA. Let us see the definition of critical quality attribute. A physical, chemical, biological, or microbiological property or characteristic that should be within an appropriate limit, range, or distribution to ensure the desired product quality. So here all the things comes into place like physical property, chemical property, biological as well as microbiological. So all this should be within the appropriate limit range, and this will determine or ensures that our product is within the specification limit and it is producing the desired quality. So critical quality attributes are generally associated with the drug substance, excipients, intermediates, and drug product. So at every single step in the manufacturing of the final dosage form. So here different kinds of things are involved in the manufacturing of a finished dosage form, like excipients, the intermediates, the API, and finally the drug product is being manufactured, that is the finished dosage form. So to achieve a proper finished dosage form, there are intermittent things that have to be monitored, and those things have to produce the desired quality as well. So the critical quality attribute will help in achieving the final dosage form, and it should be within the desired or established appropriate limits. So the critical process parameters and critical quality attributes are together interlinked. If there is any change in the process parameter, then it will have an impact upon the quality of the product as well. So these two have to be maintained properly so that we would achieve the desired quality of the product, and the product quality is maintained within the established limits. References. We could get the knowledge about critical process parameters and critical quality attributes in ICH Q8, where we can go through and get more detailed information as well. Thanks for watching and learning. Do share your thoughts so that it will be helpful to others and it will have a great impact. And sharing your knowledge will help yourself and others to learn more. Thanks for watching.